My name is Patricia. I'm the Vice President of Channel Marketing for dpHUE. dpHUE is all about color care, healthy hair every day. Salons are closed. My grays are showing like crazy, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about my color maintenance routine, which includes dpHUE's Rue Touch-Up Kit. It comes with 7 colors. I'm a light brown, and this kit has everything you need for 2 touch-up applications. So here is what comes inside this kit. The kit comes with 2 hair color developers, the hair color tube that gives you the opportunity of doing 2 touch-ups, 2 processing caps, 2 disposable gloves, as well as 2 disposable bowls. It also has 1 set of shampoo and conditioner, Color Fresh, one of my favorites, and a hair color brush that you rinse out after and you use it for your second time. So now let me show you how it gets done. You're gonna get the hair color tube, open it, and you're gonna puncture. You're then gonna squeeze half of the tube inside the hair color bowl. Once that's done, make sure that you tightly close the hair color tube for the next time. You're gonna get 1 of the hair color developers and you're gonna mix it with the hair color. And I'm gonna show you. Make sure that you mix both of them very well. And what I want to say is the Rue Touch-Up Kit is great for when you have a regrowth of a 1/2 inch to 1 inch long. The Rue Touch-Up Kits are not meant for all over color. Here you go. Look at the consistency. It looks beautiful. Now I'm going to set my gloves on and I'm going to start putting the color onto my roots, and where you begin is on your part lines and your front line where you're showing the most amount of grays. This whole process usually lasts 45 minutes, but if you happen to have stubborn grays, you can let the color process for an additional 5 to 15 minutes. Now let's get to the fun part. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna put my processing cap on. I'm gonna set my timer for an hour because I do have stubborn grays, and I'll come back and show you the beautiful results. Voila, grays are gone. Hair feels good, I feel good, and I hope Rue Touch-Up Kit becomes part of your color maintenance routine as it is in mine. And now to the credits. And here is my cool blonde daughter who videotaped and helped me.